Okay, good day everyone. This is Team J Network once again. Welcome to my channel from every part of the world that you are seeing this video. This time around, I want to take you guys through how to buy many of these upcoming projects on the core blockchain. You must have heard how many of these projects are doing very well. For example, the Shadow Swap, the LFG, the ice cream. A lot of people has make millions, hundreds of millions on it. Those that got into it as early as possible. But it requires some knowledge. You don't just go into all this. This is not mining. This is not what you get on a platter of gold. You have to commit into it. And how do you commit into it? I'm taking my time to make this video for those that will pay attention to it and that will spare their time to watch it, because I know there is no way I can actually take you through everything step by step on the group, but I hope this video will help you. So if you want to buy any of these projects, if you want to go into any of these projects, all you just need to understand first is on which exchange, on which decentralized exchange is this coin launching. So you firstly go and understand which exchange it is launching. Secondly, you have to get into their Telegram group. If they have Telegram group, join their Twitter. Make sure you join their verified Twitter, verified Telegram, verified Discord, so that you will not go and buy the fake coin. Any coin that is launching now, there are people that will also create the fake coin. They will just get your money. I was even a victim of one last week myself, that I lost. Was it not 20? Was it not about $25 or so that I used to buy that fake coin, because somebody sent the link to me and I did not verify it because I trusted the person. So if you did not verify a link or contract address and make sure it is coming from the official group, you are liable to lose your funds. So don't be a victim. All you just need to do first is join their Telegram, join their official Twitter, then join their Discord if they have. So for this Crest protocol now, all you just need to do is you ask whoever is giving you the information to send you the official link of Crest or their Twitter name. That's what you need to do first, and their Telegram, so that you get the original link of how you need to buy. So having done that, all you now need to do is you understand which coin are you going to use to buy it. For example, this Crest protocol is launching on Shadow Swap. So the general public are going to use Shadow token to buy they are going to commit Shadow token into the farming pool, and as well those that are whitelisted are going to commit core. For you to be whitelisted requires some tasks that we do on Clio 3. So that is a talk for another day. But once you have understand the coin you are going to use to buy it, the thing you need to do next is go and buy the coin that you are going to use to buy it, if it is core or if it is Shadow Shop. So let us proceed. Look at this information now. So they are launching on Shadow Shop, and it is going to be farm offering is that you are committing a particular coin. The coin you are committing is not like you will have it back. It is not, you will have a certain percentage of it back, while the rest will be used to provide the coin you needed for you. Let me end this. So let's go into Shadow Shop. Let's go to Shadow Shop and see what I am saying. So by the time you are doing any coin offering, it's not that the coin you are offering that you will not get it back. You will get it back. It's just a little amount of it that will be taken. So look at those people that got Shadow now. A lot of people get over 1,000 Shadow for free. They committed only their call and they returned their call to them. So just a little amount of call was taken. So and they are now on multi-millions. So now this is your wallet. This is your wallet that you have created for investment of so many coins. We have advised that you don't use your main wallet. So now, having done that, you need core. You go and buy core into this wallet. If it is shadow that you also need to buy the coin you want to buy, go and buy shadow and have it here. So once you have it here, so the next thing you need to do is just to go into the decentralized exchange platform where you want to buy it. In which for this one we are using Shadow Swap. So let's go into Shadow Swap. Okay, this is my Shadow Swap. So the Shadow Swap correct address is shadowswap.xyz. So once Shadow Swap load, for those that do not know how to buy Shadow coin, if it is only core that you have, this is what you will do. You will write this address in your browser. So it will load it for you like this. So what you need to do is click on trade. Once you click on trade, let it load. So it will bring the swapping interface. This is network. I think network is what is delaying it. I want you to bring the swapping interface so that I will show you guys how you can swap your core to shadow token that you will use to buy whatever you want to buy. If you are using shadow and if you are using core, you can some might also require using wrapped core. Okay, let us connect. If your own is not connected, just like mine, it is, you have to connect first. Connect it with MetaMask. I think network is really delaying. That is why I'm using system these days. Okay, it has connect now and it has taken us to the swap interface. It is still currently loading. Let us allow it to load. So it will load the amount of core that you are having. Once you have connected to that wallet, you can see now it has loaded the core that I'm having. And so this here, you click here, whatever coin you are seeing here, you click there to pick any coin you want to swap into. If you did not see the coin you want to swap into, you go and get the contract address of the coin. So you post it here. So just like I said, some coin requires that you buy them with wrapped core, this one. So you can swap your core into this one. It will give you the same value as core. So some coin requires that you want to buy them with shadow. You can swap to shadow. So some coin requires that you want to buy them with ice cream swap. You go and do that on ice cream swap interface. Ice cream swap is also a decentralized exchange. Some requires LFG. You go and buy it on LFG interface. So but for this purpose, what we want to use is shadow. A shadow swap, a shadow token. So you click on shadow. That is what we have there already. So you see, so you now write any amount of core that you want to use to buy the shadow, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 30, maybe 100. You get the result here. So you just click on swap. So for the purpose of, if you want to buy if you want to swap as fast as possible, you need to increase the slippage tolerance. You click on this setting button. So this place, you can choose any of these. If you are not rushing, if it is not a rushing hour, but if it is a rushing hour that there is a lot of traffic, you click here, then you write what you want to use. You can use 5, you can use 7, you can use 10. If it is a trade that you quickly want to sell and take out your money, you have to use something above 10 or 12 so that it will go quickly. That is the slip rate tolerance. So but for this purpose, you can just use a 0.5 or a 0.1 just to swap to the coin you want to use to buy. Once you have done that setting, then click on swap. I don't want to swap, so I'm just teaching you. Click on swap, then click on confirm. So you will have the shadow token that you want to use to buy. So the next thing you need to do is go to this, click on this icon here, click on it, then you click on this IFO, initial farming offer. Allow it to load. I think it is loading. Wait for it to load. So we are there. It has bring it. So you can see this is the details. This is the information about this Crest protocol that we want to buy. today that we want to commit to today. So it is starting in 4 hours 41 minutes. So and the total that they are offering for sale is 8,500,000 CPT. So funds to raise is $150,000. So price per CPT is $0.017. So and you can also see the maximum token entry. Okay, since it has not started, that is why this one is not showing. So you will see the minimum. By the time they have started, you will see the minimum you can offer, the minimum shadow token you can offer to get CPT. So once you offer it, at the end of this offering period, you will be able to claim your shadow back, and you will also have Crest protocol token, the CPT. You will also have it. So they will just take a little amount from your shadow, and you'll get an equivalent worth of it in CPT. So having done that, by the time they are listing, you just get the contract address of this CPT, then you go back to trade. If you want to sell off or if you want to hold it, you'll now be having your shadow coin back, and you'll be having your CPT back. So that is how to participate in pre-sales or IDO of any coin. You get the decentralized link of the decentralized exchange that they are listing on. Then you paste it in your browser here, and you come into the place they are offering. You will see it, the IFO, the ICO, you will see it, the IDO, you will see it. Just click on it, you will see the details information. So you will commit. By the time they start, you have to be very fast, because when they start, a lot of people are on standby. People will look at this amount of coin that they want to offer for sale, 8,500,000 CPT. A lot of people are already on waiting. If you are not smart with it, people will buy it off within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So if they do not have overflow, some will have overflow that you will still be able to buy. But if it is the one that their maximum is their maximum, once they reach their target, you will not be able to buy. If you slack, you won't be able to. And how will you not slack? Is that slippage tolerance. You go and increase it first, then you make sure you are in an area where the network is very good. I once said that all these things are actually not for the faint hearted. It's actually not for a lazy person. I don't know. You really have to watch this video maybe 2 or 3 times for you to understand before you can even engage in all these things. So it is technical. So to make money in the crypto space is not something, is not gotten on a platter of gold. You have to be committed to it. You have to be very, very committed to it. So there are some whitelisted people who has done a lot of tasks before now, that will be able to buy 2 hours before you guys are buying. So they will buy at a cheaper price before you guys. So and it is because they have done 1 or 2 technical things, technical assignment. They have done it for the team. So for you to be able to do all these things, you really have to be committed. Not that you saw people making profit and you are hyping, you are like, you really want to be like them. No, you have to pass through the process. You have to go through the process. So I believe this video should help for those that want to learn about it 1 or 2 ways. So you can ask any other question that is not clear in the coming days. By the time I find out of how to do it well, so for those that are interested, we'll organize a live class where you can ask questions where you are not cleared and all of that. Thank you all, and God bless you. What you can do back for me is just to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, those that want the same knowledge as you. Like, comment, and share. You see the link in the description of this video where you can join any of my group for updates like this. Thank you all, and God bless.